Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. How are you all? Yes, hope you all are fine and safe. Here, dear students, in today's class we are going to learn a grammar topic. Name of the grammar topic is collective noun. Collective noun. Got it? Collective noun. So, here on page number 7, you have this grammar topic, page number 7 and 8. Okay, page number 7 and 8. Here, we have to learn what is collective noun. Then, here again, examples of the collective noun. Okay, we are going to learn in today's class. Here, see little bit. Nisha's class greeted her with great enthusiasm when she rejoined school. See here, class, Nisha's class greeted. Class means what? Her class. Okay. So here, collective noun means what? Yes. Before that, we have to see what is noun. Yes, we already learned grammar part. What is noun? So tell me first. Noun means what? Noun. What is noun? Yes, noun is a name of person, place or things. Name of person, place and things is called as noun. Got it? So, again we learn types of the noun. So, we learn common noun, proper noun. Yes or no? Yes. So, here once again I will write here. So, common noun. Types of the noun, common noun, proper noun, then collective noun, abstract noun. These are types of the noun. So, collective noun also from that one of the type of the noun. So here common noun means what we learn? Yes, common noun is general name. Common noun, general name given to specific place, person or thing. Got it? Now tell me one example of the common noun. Common noun example? Yes. Example what we learned there? Boy, a dog. Yes, boy, dog. Yes, even soap. These are the common nouns. Common noun means general name, commonly we are calling it a boy, a dog, a cat, then a soap. Yes, so this is the common. Now proper noun. What is the proper noun then? Yes, here I will write proper noun. Proper noun means what here? Yes, here I will write proper noun. Proper noun is name, general name or specific name? Yes, specific name. Specific or particular name given to specific name given to a particular person, place or thing. Particular person, place or thing is called as proper noun. Proper. Example of the proper noun. Now common noun boy. So proper noun example Raju. Proper noun. Soap we have seen common noun. Lux soap. Yes, we can write here Lux soap. Next, what we have seen? Dog. Dog name Rocky. So these are the proper nouns, proper name. Got it? Common and proper noun we learn. So you have clear idea about this. Now we have to see what is collective noun. What is collective noun? Yes, collective noun is a group of people, of animal or things. See, a group of people. Collective noun means it is called as a group of people, animals or things, called as collective noun. Got it? Group of people, animal or things or places we can say as collective noun. Collectively, group of people. Now group of people, yes. So again we can say in Hindi collective noun means समूहवाचक संज्ञा. समूहवाचक संज्ञा. किसी भी ग्रुप मीन्स यस झुंड, इंसानों का या प्राणियों का या किसी भी वस्तु का झुंड को हम कलेक्टिव नाउन और समूहवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? समूहवाचक. समूहवाचक संज्ञा. गॉट इट? किसी भी व्यक्ति या प्राणी या किसी भी वस्तुओं के झुंड को हम समूहवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. मीन्स वी आर कॉलिंग इट कलेक्टिव नाउन. Now we have to see there are lots of collective noun. So we don't know. Yes, we don't know that how to write, what to say. So here lots of examples are there. I will write one by one. Yes. So always we are writing here a pack of cards. A pack of cards. Now pack of cards means you are playing with cards, also? Yes, cards. Yes, you are playing with cards. Yeah. So we are using a pack of cards. Pack is collective noun here. Yes, even pack of cards, even pack of wolves, even a pack of thieves. Pack of thieves, we are using a pack word. It is pack is a collective noun here. Second, a colony of ant. A colony of ant. Okay, colony of ant. Ant we can write here, group of ant. Colony we are using, colony is a collective noun here. And चींटियों का झुंड. Got it? चींटियों का झुंड. Colony of ant. Okay. Again, a school of fish. A school of fish. Again, we can say that a school of dolphins. Group of or a school of dolphins. So, see here, मछलियों की, what we are using for school? Yes, पाठशाला, यानी school of fish. A school is collective noun here. Okay, next come to the next word, that is a flock of bird. Yes, a flock. A flock of birds. Flock word is, yes, we are using for birds, group of birds. पंछियों को, पंछियों की झुंड को हम फ्लॉक वर्ड यूज करते. फ्लॉक ऑफ, yes, flock of birds. Even you can say that flock of goats. Even flock of sheep. Flock of sheep. So this flock what? Collective noun. Got it? Next come, here again few words are there. Next word come there. Yes, a swarm of insect. A swarm of insect. Swarm of insects. So here swarm is a collective noun. Next word here, next noun here I will write here, a choir of singer, a choir, okay, a choir of singer. जो गाना गाते हैं उन व्यक्तियों के समूह को हम क्या कहते हैं? क्वायर. A choir of singer. Got it? Next, again one, a board of directors. A board of directors. Board also collective noun. A choir also collective noun. Next, again you can say that a panel of judge. A panel of judge. Panel of judge. So panel also collective noun here. Again few collective nouns are there, we have to write here. Okay, a troop of monkey. Here I will write a troop of monkey. Here I have few collective nouns. Yes, I will write here. See, you have to write in your notebook. Okay, a troop of monkey. Take it next. A troop of monkey. TROUPE. A troop of monkey. बंदरों के झुंड को क्या वर्ड यूज करते हैं? ट्रूप. ओके, ट्रूप. नेक्स्ट इज again one word, again one collective noun is there. Yes, this is very known name. Yes, which one? You are using this word. I like a bunch of grapes. Yes, a bunch. A bunch of grapes. Again flowers. Again keys. So bunch, see, bunch, bunch is a collective noun. So a bunch of grapes, a bunch of flowers और bunch of keys. We are see, किली जो रहता है, yes, we can say that चाबी. उनके झुंड को क्या कहते हैं? bunch of keys. Next, a bouquet of flower. Yes, हम बुके क्यों कहते हैं? बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स. उसमें हर प्रकार के फूल रहते हैं. यस, सो वी आर कॉलिंग इट बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स. यस. नेक्स्ट, अ फ्लीट ऑफ ट्रीज. अ फ्लीट ऑफ ट्रीज. Fleet is collective noun. Here I underline, these all are collective noun here. A bunch, see, a bouquet, a fleet, again a galaxy of star. Galaxy of star. Star. Yes, we are using this word, galaxy. Yes, a galaxy of star. Next is, see, a range of mountains. A range of mountains. Yes, range of mountains. Range is collective noun here. Yes, again I will give here. Underline words are collective noun here. Next word, take it. A batch of cookies. Yes, a batch of cookies. Cookies. Batch of cookies. A batch. Batch is a collective noun. So, बेकरी में आप जाते हैं तो आप देखते हो biscuits. So, we are calling it batch of cookies. Next, a litter of puppies. A litter of puppies, or we can call it kittens. Kittens. So, a litter. Litter is also collective noun. Next word is, see here, a class of students. Everybody know. Yes, a class of students. Class. Class of student. छात्रों के समूह को क्या कहते हैं? क्लास. Yes. Next is a parliament. See here. Okay. So now we are going to see from your textbook. See here. Yes. So here words are there. Yes. I'll write here. If you have finished this means I'll write here. Now see here. A parliament of, yes, owls. I'll write here. A parliament of owls. So you have to join with owls. You have to join with owls. Next, a pack of, yes, I told you, pack of cards also you can use. Pack of wolves. A pack of wolves. Pack. This is a collective noun. Pack of wolves. Next. Also wolves over. Now, a fleet of cars. Fleet of cars. Next collective noun. An army of. Army of, yes, which is army of, what we can say? See, army of ants. And fifth one, a band of, yes, musicians. Got it? So, collective noun means what? Collective noun, yes, we are using for a group of people, animal or things. Got it? So here we learn lots of collective noun. You have to write down in your notebook. And this is, you have to match it. Okay, you have to properly match it. Parliament, a parliament of owls. A pack of wolves. A fleet of cars. An army of ants and a band of musicians. So you have to write it in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay? Hope you understood. Thank you.